Hello everyone, welcome to our science study. Today we will learn to draw and color Garfield from the Garfield movie in an easy way. First we are drawing his face. Now we will color him. Thank you.